In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your project shows the right name across your workspace. First, open your browser and head to the Base44 app. If you're prompted to sign in, do that and you'll land in the main interface. From here, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where all your projects live, whether they're ones you created or ones shared with you. If you don't immediately see the project you're after, use the workspace filter or search bar to narrow things down. Picking the correct workspace view, like My Apps or your team's workspace, can make the list much easier to navigate. Next, click the project you want to rename. In many demos, this might be shown as a copied or duplicated app, but the process is identical for any project you own or have permission to edit. Opening it brings you into the apps area where you can access its pages and settings. Now go to the dashboard for that app. This takes you to the overview where you'll find the key controls and high-level details for the project. It's the best place to make quick changes that affect how the app appears in lists. At the top of the overview, locate the current app name. You'll typically see it displayed prominently. Click directly on the name to activate editing. If you hover and see the cursor change or a small edit indicator, that's your cue that the name is editable. Type in the new name you want. Aim for something clear and consistent with your team's naming conventions, like including a department, environment, or version, if that helps people discover it later. Avoid special characters that might not be supported and keep it concise but descriptive. When you're done, press enter or click outside the field to confirm. Base44 generally saves this change automatically. If you see a save option, click it to finalize. Give the page a moment and you should see the updated title reflected on the dashboard. To double check, you can navigate back to the apps list and confirm the new name appears there as well. If it doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually resolves it. Renaming affects only the display name, not your app's content or permissions. Your team will still have the same access and your workflows remain intact. If you reference the app in documentation or bookmarks, consider updating those to match the new title for clarity. That's it. You've renamed your project in Base44 quickly and cleanly, keeping your workspace organized and easier to navigate.